Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well and today's video is gonna be about the topic some interesting facts of birds. So let's get into the video. Study of birds is known as ornithology. Now first fact is smallest bird in the world is bee hummingbird. And here is the picture of bee hummingbird. Another fact is bird that is only found in Nepal is spiny babbler. It is known as Kandibhakur in Nepali. And there is a bird that lay eggs in others' nest is koili. It lays egg on others' nest. Bird that cannot fly is kiwi. It cannot fly. And there is that bird that is found all over the world is sparrow. It is known as bhangera in Nepali. Bird that give birth without laying egg is bat. Actually, it belongs to mammal. It is known as chamira in Nepali. Bird known as symbol of love is dove. It is known as dhukur in Nepali. Bird that can rotate its head in all direction is owl. It is known as ullu in Nepali. Bird that only lay egg in the morning is duck. It is known as haas in Nepali. Bird that lay largest egg is ostrich. It is known as turmurga in Nepali. Bird that lay egg by standing is penguin. Symbol of peace is pigeon. It is known as parewa in Nepali. Bird that has the longest lifespan is albatross. Bird that lay egg once in the lifetime is crow. It is known as kawa in Nepali. Bird that protects themselves from hunter by producing others birds sound or voice is bimrachive. It is known as greater racket-tailed drongo. Now, and there is most lazy bird is dove. We already have discussed about this. It is known as dhukur in Nepali. Bird that sings while dying is rajhas, goose. Bird that can directly look at the sun is eagle. It is known as chil in Nepali. Bird that can bark like a dog is serimbra. Bird that lay more number of eggs is francolin, that is titra. Bird that has the largest wings is albatross. Bird that sounds like tiger is bitter heron. It sounds like tiger. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.